Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm here with something really different, an episode of Flameless Cooking. These little edible puppies are made with easily available ingredients and requires no flame or any cooking indeed. They are easily crafted and we can surprise our little children with this. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. I have crafted these puppies with biscuits and I've used Marie biscuit here. There are 25 biscuits in this packet and I have powdered these biscuits using a mixer grinder to a fine powder. I'll be making this dough with cocoa powder and without cocoa powder. This is the one with cocoa powder. Here I have condensed milk, 1.5 tablespoon of butter and 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. For the ears of the puppies I have used chocos. Here I have got vanilla and the chocolate chocos. It's available in all the supermarkets. I've used the Kellogg's Chocos Duet here, so you get both the vanilla and chocolate there. I've used chocolate chips for the eyes and nose. Let's get started and make the dough now. Let's add in the butter. The butter should be at room temperature. We'll add that in. Next we'll add in the condensed milk. I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of condensed milk here. We can check the sweetness and add more later if necessary. This is a no-fail recipe, so if anything goes more or less, you can always adjust it. Let's add in the cocoa powder. I've used 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder here. Let's mix this well till everything is well incorporated. You can check the sweetness over here. If you feel you need to add more, you can add more condensed milk. So I have added another tablespoon of condensed milk. So I have added around 4 tablespoons of condensed milk for 1 packet of Marie biscuit. Now here you can see we have this crumbled texture. We'll add in milk in batches, just enough to make it a firm dough. Okay, I'm adding little more milk. Mix it well till all the ingredients are well combined. I think that's fine. Now let's mix it well to make a perfect dough. Knead the dough well. If you feel that it's breaking off, add a teaspoon of milk. There's no perfect measure for this recipe. If you feel that your dough is too loose, you can add in some more biscuit powder. There, our chocolate dough is ready now. Here I'm taking little butter and rubbing on the palm of my hand, and I'll apply this on the dough well and mix this well inside so that it's combined well and gives a soft touch to the dough. If by any chance your dough becomes dry, you can add in butter and make it smooth. There it is, our chocolate dough is ready. Let's cover and keep it. Now let's get started for the vanilla dough. Add in all the ingredients one by one. It's the same way except that I have not added in the chocolate powder. For this as well I have used 1 packet of Marie biscuit and I have powdered it and added all the ingredients and follow the same way. Mix it well, check your sugar level and make it a firm dough. So here I have used 2 packets of Marie biscuit, one with the cocoa powder and one without the cocoa powder, and I have got approximately 13 cookies. There you can see our dough is almost ready. Just knead it well like we have followed for the chocolate dough, and that's it, that's done now. Okay, I'm taking little butter and rubbing on the palm of my hand and just rubbing it on the dough to just make it a little more soft. It's better to keep them close so that it doesn't dry off. Here you can see both the dough is ready. Now let's get started and craft our little puppies. First, rub the palm of your hand with little butter. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it out to a small ball. There it is, a perfect ball. I'll just keep this on a plate. Now we'll make a smaller ball. Just take a little bit of the dough and make a smaller ball just like this with the help of your hand. If the ball is dry, just rub some butter in your hand and make it soft. We'll do the same thing for the other dough as well. Make the big ball first and then make the smaller one and keep it on the plate. The balls have to be perfectly rolled and make sure that there are no cracks in between. Okay, there it is, it's ready. Now let's craft a little puppies. I've taken the small ball and placed it over the big one. just give it a press. And now for the ears, take the chocos and press it on the either side of the ball and place the choco chips just above the nose and place the other choco chip on the nose. So there goes, our little puppy is ready. Now for the tongue, I've used the normal cornflakes we get and I've just pressed it inside. Okay, that's ready now. Now let's do the same for the chocolate balls as well. I've taken the big ball, I'll place the small one on top of it. Just give it a good press so that it holds on. For the ears, here I've used the white chocos. Just press it on both the sides of as the ears. And the eyes, just place the white choco chips. If you feel that the nose is falling off, you can just apply some butter on the nose and stick it on to the head. And there it is, our little puppies are ready. They look very cute and very attractive. I feel that they look like dachshunds. I'm sure all the little children will also enjoy crafting this little puppy. They are really pleasing to the eyes as well, right? A perfect cookie that can be even placed for a birthday party. I have my little ones that are eager to snatch them.
Here our little puppies are ready. Let's enjoy! Thank you for watching Merry Bees.